Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in this video I'll compare two programs that you can run in your browser for basically enhancing your workflow. First one is Monday.com, the second one is Workspace from Google. We will go through some pros and cons. I'll tell you more about these programs, and in the end we will try to find out which one is actually better than the other. So let's start with Monday.com. With Monday.com, managers can better keep their team aligned from one collaborative workspace. This flexible platform allows you to truly centralize your data, leveraging native integration, third-party apps, and helpful widgets. With an overview of all ongoing processes, you can quickly gauge the status of essential tasks and follow up with a relevant team member efficiently. Essentially, on Monday.com, executives have the flexibility to build the perfect tool for their team using intuitive drag and drop technology. Simply select one of over 200 templates and customize it using the 20 editable columns to support any of your workflows. Then, if your team grows, your workforce can easily scale with you, empowering your team to new heights with complete visibility. And as you can see, actually at Monday.com website, you have some overview. How does it look? You have really useful graphs, Gantt graph, and also you can engage your team in a couple of tasks. You can basically use every single task for different members. You can mark the status of the task. You can go through some timesheets and also timelines, upload and download file. So it's very much what you need when you are looking for a workflow, when you're looking for workflow app. To the pricing. When we click on the pricing, we have a couple of options. Monday.com also provides free forever individual bucket. Up to 2 seats. Individual plan includes unlimited boards, docs, 200 more templates, over 20 column types, iOS and Android apps. It's very easy to integrate Monday.com with more than 200, I believe, other programs, for example through Zapier. Then we have Basic for $8 a seat or €8. Then Standard, which I recommend, Pro, and then the Enterprise. So if you have a company that is bigger, and need to plan to tailor it to your needs, that's the plan for you. So let's now check the Google Workspace. Google Workspace is an intuitive platform that helps teams of all sizes to connect and collaborate with each other and improve their efficiency levels in real time. It provides an innovative and flexible solution that helps businesses to achieve more. With the help of shared calendars, users can see who is available and when, so they can fix meetings without clashing anybody's timing. It also allows them to start video conferencing with just a single click through their laptop, tab, or mobile. With Google Workspace, team members can collaborate with each other and share documents, slides, and spreadsheets with or without the internet. They can work in a single document, see edits, communicate through inbuilt chat, and tag each other in comments and ask questions. Google Workspace also allows users to upload their data on the cloud to keep it safe and easily available to the team members through a shared link. To assure comprehensive security, the software offers advanced privacy algorithms like single sign-on and two-step verification. It's very hard to compare these two. It's very hard to compare Monday.com and Workspace. Both of them are excellent at what they are doing, but I would still go with Monday.com. For example, if you look at pricing, there is no free plan if you are a small business, so you have to jump on the paid train. They are also providing 3 paid options, then the enterprise option. So there is no free trial or free version. And also in the features, or the top features, the workspace doesn't provide contact management, no discussions forums, or project management. So I would say that I would really go with Monday.com. We also recorded another videos for both of them on our channel, so you can go and check them out where we go through and through those programs, especially Monday.com, and you will find more information there. But in my opinion, Monday.com is one of the best options you can go with when you're looking for workflow system. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in our comment section. I will leave the links in the description underneath this video. Consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.